Ndị Igbo ekene m unu. Asị m ka nke echukwelu ya zelu. Anyị si ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ. Mmiri atara m azụ anwụra. Asa dara mma na eke, dara mma na orie, fọzara mma na afọ, fọzara mma na nkwọ. Ụzọ ahịa anọ nke ndị Igbo jibiri. Asị na ya dara n'Igbo na mma o. Ise. Dịka o si dị ka agbapụ na ya ọsọ igosi na ya bụ ife ji maka ya wee bịa. Na tupu anyị aga n'igosi na ya bụ ife, ọ bụla nke bụ bọsis gị. Ị na-ejete afọ channel aya n'Igbo akwụkwọ ka baro ka like and subscribe o. Tinyekwa kọmentị, share ekwe ya, tụsa ya bụ ozi ka ụmụnne anyị dị n'ebe dị iche iche wee na ya bụ ife na-eme n'obodo a. Dịka o si dị, ihe wetara unu tata bụ nnukwu update dị oke mkpa. Mma nchọ ka onye ọbụla misie ya. Mma nchọ ka ị ga ya bụ ife, ị ga-esi ya bụ ife wetara unu gbasa maka ya bụ ife na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya. And nwere ndị Igbo na-azọ drop your own comment.
That's why I'm appeal to all over the world, United Nations and British countries, before it's too late, start and come and separate us. That Nigerian criminal country, Fulani country, terrorist country. Nigeria is not our Yoruba country. It's not a Igbo country.
No, for sure.
It's only Fulani country. We have only 6 million. We have only 6 million Fulani in Nigeria.
Now, yes.
Minority. Yes, they are terrorizing that country. I'm coming back to my land. That's Yoruba land. To let our people Yoruba know that we are ready to go.
That's it.
Yes. All right. This time is not first time. I swear, this time is not last time. Correct. Because only God can kill us. Correct. Nigeria government can kill all Yoruba. No.
Every right-thinking Nigeria believes that peaceful dissolution of this entity called Nigeria will be the solution to so many things that we are seeing today that are not good to humanity happening in this country called Nigeria. The Yoruba Nation activist Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has reportedly over the weekend submitted a petition to the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom to consider the secessionist movement in Nigeria. He said that this phase of new self-determination fight will end Nigeria. Now, the question a lot of people are asking, how long can we continue to pretend that all is well? It is time for us to come to our senses to realize that people who are agitating, they are not agitating because they want people to notice them or because they just want people to realize that Nigeria is not working, but they have a genuine quest. You know, self-determination or to conduct a referendum, these are not crimes because we were not together ab initio. So that is what is going on right now. And there is fear in Tinubu's camp because, you know, people are saying these are your people. How are you going to manage them? But however, Tinubu himself said so in 1999 and the year 2000. He was saying it time without number. Consecutive times on newspaper, they reported that Tinubu said that he don't believe in one Nigeria. So these are the things that have started a very long time ago. So it's not a new thing. Anyway, take a look at what really happened in United Kingdom over the weekend.
The country of Nigeria, we stand here today in the land of the British, and we are telling the British that we are no longer the part of Nigeria anymore. The amalgamation of 1914 has expired. And now, when they came to our land, we discovered a lot of things that they have done in our land. And right now, England, Britain, we are telling you today that we are no more part of Nigeria again. You join us together by force. We are 3 tribes in Nigeria: Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. Oh yes. Right now, the Igbo people are on the rise to depart from Nigeria. Yes. Fulani, they are the people terrorists in Nigeria. We are no more part of Nigeria anymore. Oh yes. What we want now, we want to out of Nigeria. Yes. We want to exit from Nigeria. Yes. Nigeria is no more our country anymore. Yes. We Yoruba, we have the culture, we have the integrity, we have the potential, we have the abilities. In our land, we have enough to sustain our nation. We are over millions. In Brazil alone, we are over 70 million. In America alone, we are over 80 million. In England, We know the numbers of Yoruba people in this country. When the Oni of Ife came to America, in Pennsylvania, they mentioned it, and it was addressed that Yoruba ethnic, they are the largest ethnic in Africa. Why Britain? Why are you holding us down? If you are not getting something in our land, you are tipping our property. Britain, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We don't want our people to be king of our land anymore. Our women, they cannot walk freely. They are being kidnapped, they are being massacred, and they are being killing our people. And even to our youth, there are no future for youth. In this country today, in America, in Britain, while you people believe most, the youth are the future of tomorrow. But today, no more youth in the land of Nigeria. No more future for youth. No more future for youth in Nigeria. That is why we youth will stand also, and we are saying we are no more part of Nigeria anymore. And right now, the genocide is going on in Nigeria. They are killing our people. They are killing our people. They are killing our people. And also, we want President to realize that when you came to our land to merge us together, we are not part of that marginalization. And right now, we say no to our dad. We say no to Nigeria. No to Nigeria. No to Nigeria. That is why our leader, Emirator Professor Badi Akintoye, the leader of the Yoruba nation, and the lawyer Sunday Igboho, and is our leader to tell you people today that we are not a part of Nigeria anymore. Yoruba nation want to exist from Nigeria. We need our autonomy. We need our self-determination. And Britain, we want you to understand that self-determination is a fundamental right. In America, I let them run again, and the Britain. Today we are here also. We want our freedom. We want our freedom. Yoruba nation.
Thank you, my brother. Please, we are here today. We are here today to come and deliver our documents to Prime Minister of England. We are here today to come and deliver our documents to Prime Minister of England and the United Nations, because we are ready to leave Nigeria. So after this rally, we are going back to Nigeria. Yes. After this rally, I promise you, my people in Nigeria, my Yoruba people in Nigeria, I am Sunday Adeli.
Osha! Osha!
What do you say?
Osha!
I fear only God.
Yes.
If you God say yes, nobody can say no. After this, my document delivered to this country, I'm coming back to my land. That's Yoruba land.
To Yoruba land.
To let our people Yoruba know that we are ready to go.
That's it.
Yes.
All right. This time is not first time. I swear. This time is not last time. All right. Because only God can kill us. Nigeria government can kill all Yoruba. No. We are more than 80 people in that Nigeria.
80 million.
We are under 80 million people. We are under 80 million. Yes, in Nigeria. So then, I know myself as a Yoruba man. 100% Yoruba. All my body, all my blood. So today, it's not a joking day.
Yes, sir.
Because we are ready to deliver this document. Then I know God is already listening to us.
Amen.
I want you to know, my people, God is already listening to us. Yes. But this country, they will listen. 100% they must listen to us. By fire, by force.
Yeah. From shoulder to shoulder.
That is why I'm appealing to all over the world, United Nations and British countries. Before it's too late, start and come and separate us. That Nigerian criminal country. Fulani country, terrorist country. Nigeria is not our Yoruba country. It's not a Igbo country. No, for sure. It's only Fulani country. We have only 6 million. We have only 6 million Fulani in Nigeria. Now, yes. Minority. That country. Yes, they are terrorizing that country. So the thing, yes, we are nothing. Yoruba people, we are nothing that country. Believing. If you Google now that who is the kidnapping people? Yes. If you Google it now that who is the head of the king of Nigeria? They say Sultan of Sokoto. Who is Sultan of Sokoto? Boko Haram Sultan of Sokoto. Boko Haram Sultan of Sokoto is the one. Is the head of the king. So we are not part of Nigeria. They kill our farmers, destroy our property. Why? So we need to rise our hands together and fight for our rights.
Igboho, sir.
Our rights.
Igboho.
Ekpa Fulani.
Okay.
Just 5 minutes. YSDM under the leadership of Professor Akitoye.
Ndị be anyị ekenekwa m unu dịka si wepụta oge unu ịgekwa ya bụ ife nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa eji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-wetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya ana gbasịta maka nwere onwe ndị Igbo na-azọ ana gbasịta maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ladies dịka ị nụrụ ihe nwanne anyị wegekwu n'iru akwụkwọ ka efi were ikwu n'udo nke gị asị gị kwuo ka efi were ikwu maka na otu aka o jedebe njọ ọ ya adịkwanụ mma ọgwụ na ọtụ ụmụnne m achọrọ m ka unu tinyere anyị alụ nke unu ife unu chere n'iru akwụkwọ ikwucha ya bụ ife kapa arụsị ya kwurụta ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị darụrụ nne na ụmụnne m kpọmọ na-ege ntị anyị na-ekene ndị nnekunu si na-esoyere anyị esiri ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo